Prepare to embark on a journey beyond the edges of conventional thinking, a voyage through the hidden architecture of existence that will illuminate not only the cosmos, but the deepest corners of your own soul. In the unified theory of you, L.S. Larkey invites you to step into a realm where science, spirituality, and self-discovery merge into a single, transcendent tapestry. This is far more than just a book. It is a revelation, a clarion call to awaken a long-slumbering power at the core of our collective being. From the very first page, you will feel the breath of distant galaxies dancing beside the heartbeat of your innermost desires. Through vivid storytelling and probing insight, Larkey charts a bold path through the greatest mysteries of the universe, offering a startling perspective on reality's true nature. Each chapter unfolds with epic clarity, drawing on the laws of physics, ancient wisdom traditions, and newly emerging understandings of consciousness to reveal an exhilarating truth. Everything that ever was and all that will be converges in the sacred, vibrant center of you. But this is not a cosmic puzzle that hangs in the abstract. As you delve deeper, you'll discover practical exercises and profound reflections designed to harmonize your outer world with your inner universe. Readers have called it a life-changing metamorphosis, a tapestry of thought that refuses to let you remain the same. Larkey's voice resonates with the conviction that each human life carries an unspoken brilliance waiting to be ignited. And in these pages, that very brilliance is given a name, a purpose, and a method of expression. Whether you are a seeker thirsting for deeper spiritual insight, a science enthusiast curious about the nature of reality, or an intrepid adventurer on the quest for personal metamorphosis, the unified theory of you shines a light through the shadows of confusion and doubt. It offers an unwavering promise. When you learn to perceive the cosmos within yourself, you unlock the boundless potential to reshape your life, your relationships, and even the collective destiny of humanity. Let the words within this book be your guiding stars, points of illumination leading you toward a grand unity that transcends boundaries and redefines what it means to be alive. Open these pages and step into a universe where miracles and logic intermingle, where infinite possibility becomes not just an idea, but a lived reality. Welcome to a new frontier, the place where the cosmos comes home to the heart, and where you discover once and for all that you are the universe in motion. Long before modern science dared peer into quantum realms or subtle energetic fields, ancient civilizations across the globe revered geometric patterns as more than simple ornamentation. At the core of these revered shapes lies the flower of life, a dazzling tapestry of interlocking circles, believed by countless mystics to encapsulate the blueprint of creation itself. From this timeless design arise myriad forms, but among the most celebrated in modern esoteric circles is the Merkaba, a three-dimensional Star of David formed by two tetrahedra intersecting, known for its 8 outer points. In certain hidden or arcane traditions, however, an even more expansive geometry is revealed. The extended Merkaba, at times described as a 10-pointed Star of David. Though the classic Merkaba is already lauded for its ability to merge spirit and matter, this advanced variation purportedly pushes deeper into reality's veiled frontiers by introducing 2 additional nodes or energetic vertices. These extra points, devotees say, can amplify our bond with higher dimensions, granting a richer flow of universal energies. What grants these extra vertices their power? For pure geometers, this form may result from an intricate extension of the basic star tetrahedron, a bold step that transcends the usual interplay of triangular planes. For those attuned to Kabbalistic or mystical paths, the number 10 resonates with the divine architecture of the Sephirot, 10 luminous emanations mapping the entire span of creation. By aligning with these cosmic stepping stones, the tenfold star transcends mere geometry and enters the sacred domain of wholeness, cosmic harmony, and the very forces that forge entire universes. Through the ages, occult and mystical schools alike have insisted that sacred shapes can harness and direct cosmic currents. In this regard, the extended Merkaba stands out as especially potent because it, 1, locks into the flower of life's deeper geometry. Each vertex or facet resonates with qubits of reality, akin to the mysteries of quantum mechanics, where states of being superimpose and coexist. 2. Synchronizes with the solar system. Certain esoteric teachings assert that planetary orbits and harmonic ratios mirror sacred geometry. The 10-pointed Star of David, then, can be a bridge between the practitioner's consciousness and the entire celestial order. 3. Promises near-limitless potential. By embedding crystals at pivotal points, some adepts say they can tap into the engine room of existence, amplifying energies to astonishing degrees. Such grandeur inevitably begs the question, if this shape truly opens a doorway to near-divine power, why is it absent from mainstream awareness? According to conspiracy-flavored and esoteric interpretations, this omission is no accident but a tactical concealment to keep humanity from fully claiming its birthright. Chapter 2. Language Control and the Erasure of a Name. Why those in power hide esoteric knowledge. Throughout recorded time, secret orders, priestly castes, and royal courts have sequestered higher mystical or alchemical secrets, disclosing them only to the faithful who had proven ethical grounding or intellectual worth. The underlying rationale is simple. Knowledge confers power, and if truly paradigm-shifting wisdom were made public, it could destabilize entrenched power or invite misuse. Modern-day esoteric theorists point to a continued legacy of this ancient practice, claiming that a hidden elite, whether labeled the powers that be, the deep state, or secret world controllers, upholds strict silence on certain transformative truths. Within this vault of occulted knowledge lies a censored dimension of sacred geometry, especially the existence and precise designation of the 10-pointed Star of David. By withholding a name and ensuring it never enters everyday language, these unseen architects of power leave the shape in near total obscurity. After all, where no word exists, neither does the concept, at least for the majority. Controlling language as a means of power. Language wields extraordinary influence over collective perception. From state-ordained censorship to high-tech algorithmic filtering, limiting what expressions people can use or even see effectively shapes their mental landscape. George Orwell masterfully showed in 1984 how stripping certain words from a language erodes the capacity for complex or dissident thought. This principle applies directly to the extended Merkaba, no standard name in circulation. Whereas Merkaba has crossed into some spiritual communities, the 10-pointed version holds no universally taught term. Without recognized language, it remains barred from mainstream spiritual discourse. Purged historical references. Should there have been texts or scrolls revealing its usage, such evidence might have vanished amid inquisitions, burnings, or systematic destruction of heretical knowledge, leaving a hushed void in the historical record. Ridicule or discredit. An additional weapon is mockery, branding advanced geometry or cosmic alignment as pseudoscience. Thus, any mention of an extended or 10-pointed star is relegated to the fringes, ensuring continued obscurity. Proponents argue that if the extended Merkaba truly offers mastery over universal forces, providing an unbroken link to the cosmic matrix, elites would have every reason to prevent it from entering mainstream hands. Reclaiming the unnamed symbol. Despite these alleged efforts to erase or sideline the symbol, the digital era has revived once-lost esoteric teachings. Through online communities, social platforms, and a surge of independent researchers, the concept of a 10-pointed Merkaba is resurfacing. Enthusiasts and seekers alike speak openly of meditating upon the star for profound consciousness shifts, pairing it with crystals for magnified healing and manifesting, restoring a name where there was silence, directly challenging the presumed gatekeepers of knowledge. In essence, the grassroots reintroduction of sacred geometry might undo centuries of contrived obscurity. Even if certain global controllers prefer the symbol remain unnamed, widespread curiosity and naming reclaim it from oblivion, giving devotees renewed access to what they see as a pivotal cosmic key. Concluding reflections. The hypothesis that a 10-pointed extended Merkaba was purged from public vocabulary on account of its stupendous power grows from a central premise. Shapes and numbers are not passive but proactive catalysts in the grand symphony of existence. Over millennia, encrypted tomes, hidden manuscripts, and secret rites have shrouded advanced mystical knowledge, sometimes to protect it from misuse, other times to maintain stratified control. For contemporary seekers, this two-chapter journey sparks an unsettling yet exhilarating question. If those with influence actively guide the global narrative, censoring or minimizing vital spiritual information, what other secrets might be lying dormant at the fringes of our collective memory? And conversely, is the simple act of recognizing, naming, and engaging with the extended Merkaba a way to reclaim not just lost knowledge, but also a measure of autonomy and cosmic citizenship? Whether one embraces the notion of clandestine forces orchestrating a grand erasure, or views it as an allegory for how spiritual truths ebb and flow over time, it remains undeniable that language holds power. By consciously integrating the 10-pointed star into our lexicon, we reawaken a potential vantage on reality that transcends mundane bounds. In doing so, we might reclaim a portion of our vast cosmic potential, bridging the realms of heaven and earth through an elegant geometry of spirit and light.